Yo guys, I'm playing Roblox again. Why is the chat so crazy all the time? Gosh. So, yes, I'm ready. I'm ready for it. Here we go. Ready. I'm not even sure what the disaster is gonna be, but, whoa. How many people have joined the server? I didn't even know that this much people could join. I'm getting to the top just in case it's flood. What if it's acid rain? I'm dead. Sounds like a hailstorm. Oh god. Why are y'all going up there? Oh. I want in. But if this is acid rain. Can I hide in here? I'm going in the bathtub. It's bathtub time. I'm in blizzard, seek warmth, and find shelter. I have shelter. Oh. No. No. Oh my gosh. God. That's loud. Also, no. Hope y'all can still hear, but I'm pretty sure y'all can. Y'all saw my prison life video. Probably the best one I made so far. And God, I'm not going out. What's with you? Huh, boy? Dude? Someone? Why are y'all going outside, dorks? I'm a survivor. Survival of the fittest. Don't stand right the roof's off. Oh God. I'd say that I need to get in the bathtub right now. Bathtub time! Everybody, let's party! And the bathtub is frozen solid. Are y'all alright? She's frozen solid too. He's frozen solid too. She's frozen solid. He's frozen solid. I'm not. Okay, they're not frozen solid. Those two are. Is it really that cold? Crap! What the crap? How? Wait. Yes! I'm a survivor. Survival of the fittest. Yup. If I could just, okay. Yup, I'm getting to the top. I wonder how many people actually stayed there. My health, I'm not sure if it's lowered at all. I think I have a coastal quick stop. I'm not sure what that is. An apple a day saves the day. Keeps the doctor away. Lord, I'm not even sure what that said. Okay, it sounds like another storm. Some shelter. Oh God, I feel like I'm not gonna make it. Let me in. Why are you on a trampoline? Almost there, almost there. Crap, I feel like I'm gonna make. I made it. Yeah, I'm hiding under the stairs too, Gabby. Good plan. Yeah, stay under the stairs. Just your acid rain. Stay indoors. I'm staying right here, Gabby. What's your name? Abby, Gabby, Gabby. Yeah. Crazy penguin in a tux. Crazy penguin in a tux. Weirdest name in the world. We can all agree on that. Can't we? I hear people dying. The window's turning green. It's gonna break through the window, isn't it? Yeah, it's breaking through the wall. Gabby, I wouldn't stay there that much longer. Oh, God. Please don't say that the roof's gonna get acid. Why is your health almost down? You must have stayed in the hail too long. If you were even in the hail. About to say I'm going upstairs, but that's not that good of an idea. You know what? Stairs are probably burnt down, are they? I'm going up. No, crap. Nope. Going up there. Will I survive? No. Oh, what the crap? Oh my God, I'm about to die. No, no, you ain't getting me. don't get this outside. Why are y'all dancing? I don't even know how to dance. Does Deed make you dance? What does that sign say? An apple a day saves today. Can just get off? Does D dance? No. I'm just gonna press random buttons. See if it makes me dance. How the heck are y'all dancing? I've pressed every single button on my keyboard. I'm getting in. This is the only building. I wonder what the disaster is this time. If it's fire, I'm gonna get up here, and if it is, it's another hailstorm, ain't it? You're all dumb. What are y'all doing? Do you like Pokemon? Poketron Lord? You like Tron and Pokemon, don't you? I like Pokemon. What is Poketron Lord? I'm not sure what it is. If it's a flood, it might be. Why are y'all staying outside? You dorks. Flood! Ah! Whoa! There's the people that came here weren't dorks. They're smart. Get on the roof. If there is a roof. Almost there, almost there. Crap! I'll get rid of that in a minute. Advanced PC care limited time offer. Just get off my screen. Sorry guys, I'll get that in a minute. But right now I gotta run. It's flooding. The flood's never gonna get me. I'm just running. Is there even a top to this? I hear people dying. So, oh. What? They're all running down. Oh my god. Must get higher! 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 God, how high does it go? Why are y'all running down? I've arrived. Okay, advanced PC care limited offer thingy. Not sure if y'all can see it, but I'm getting it off my screen anyways. Okay, so I was a survivor. I've survived everything so far. Am I really this good? I'm not even sure if I took. It looked like that building was about to tip over. So looked at it correctly. If you want to see just Lucky Mart. I like Mart. Do you like being lucky? Yeah, they don't even. I'm pretty sure this doesn't even have any. I'm going inside just in case. Because, yeah. What is it? What is it? If it's a flood. If it's a flash flood. My headphones won't stay in. Stay in. How long has this video been? I gotta check that. Now see how long the video is. Oh. Video is 8 minutes so far. Why are y'all outside? It's a turn. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I will not die. I refuse to. Ah! I refuse to die. What y'all are probably thinking? Why are you going outside during a tornado? Because you coming this way? I'm watching it. It is. Run. How do you get that cool animation? Oh, that sucks. Wait. It's coming closer this way. Run! Run! Not sure where it is. But I'm just continuing running this way. I refuse to die. So it's coming. Oh god, that almost hit me. Run, 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 run. Back here, back here. Oh! I'm not sure if y'all saw it, but that person was flying everywhere. Dude, no! Oh my god. Oh, oh. Am I ever gonna die? I'm not sure how much health I have. I'm not sure if I don't think I've died once. My headphones would just stay in once. Happy home, yay! Home, happy home. Enter blocks. Yay, let's go somewhere. You know what? This is probably gonna. Is that Gabby? Oh, crabby. Okay, I'm going up. If it's a storm, I'll just go back down. My name is Jeff Piapple. My name is Jeff Piapple. You! Leave! I want you to fly out that window like a man. Still wanting to summon to get to higher ground. Summon. What are y'all doing? So this is coming from back here. I'm risking it. What? Yes. What? My brother's in here talking to me. I'm in survival of the whatever.
Survive the
disasters. Yeah.
Oh.
Shut the door behind you. Are you just gonna watch me?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this building? It did nothing.
Yeah.
You should go play Roblox. On your. Ah! Don't jump up. You know what? Yeah, just get on it. It's called Survive the Disasters.
Okay.
Shut the door behind you, okay? You mind?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're getting back to recording, and that zombie did nothing. At all. That hurt. That actually ripped the bottom off! I'm lucky. Like, so, we can't even. I wish I could see how much health I have. Cause I haven't died at all. I want hurricane insurance. Top 10 survival. Am I on there? No. Ah! Well, I'm going in the mart. They knew I was a YouTuber. They put me in top 10 survival list. I don't see any sign of a storm, so I'm just gonna climb up that thing up there. If it looks like it's gonna storm, then I'm gonna get down. So I gotta hurry, or the disaster comes. I can't get up! Warning, earthquake. Get outside and stay away from Charles. Y'all dorks. Ah, it's pushing me. Why would you get outside during an earthquake? Ah, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna survive. Ugh. Why is it pushing me? My dude. Ah, come on. Those dummies who went up there are dummies. Ah, I've never been in an earthquake on this game before. Oh, no! How did it move? How are the trees fly? What the crap? Well, I guess it's the end of that. I guess this is the end. Bye. See you in the next video. If I can turn it off. You know what? I can't move my controls anymore. You know what? Yeah. can't get it to work. You know what? It's time for a longer video than usual. Yep. It's gonna be the second video of the day. And I've died once. Better be on the top survivor list. I'm not. What? Whoa! What? That much? If you're on the top survivalist list, comment down below. And also, they're moving on. Tell me how you do it and stop surviving. I want to be on there. Let me move one up. There's that Swampert. I like that. I'm not. It's a storm, so I'm taking shelter. From what it looks like, it's a storm. That's what it looks like. Gosh. Ah. Ah. I chose the wrong house to stay in. No. No. How long is this George one? Oh god, I'm gonna see how long this video has lasted. Oh my gosh. I can't. Hold on. Okay. This video is too long.